Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So I'm done boiling the cereals. They are ready. This is green gram. This is our githeri. And this is our yellow beans. And here in the sink is our beans. I don't know whether it's red or which one, but it's the beans. These are the peppers, Ziploc bags I want to use. Yeah, I think maybe next time I'm going for a shopping, I should remember to get new ones. They've really stayed for long, but I'm happy they'll still serve the purpose. So let's pack them and store them in the freezer. Actually, my freezer is empty right now, so I want to pack them and store them. And yeah, and then we are making githeri. We'll preserve some githeri. We are making githeri for dinner. Yeah, after this I'll make githeri for dinner, and we'll take it with hot chocolate. Yeah guys, so that's it, and let me serve.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
I've already packed them. I have 2 bags of peppers of green gram, 2 bags of yellow beans, 2 bags full of githeri, and 1 and a tin of beans. And this is the githeri I want to fry. We're taking this for dinner. Yeah, so let me prep things. Yeah, we're taking this for over here. I've already prepped my ingredients. I have green capsicum, red onion, coriander cubes. There are 4 because I want to use 2 in the githeri and 2 in the cabbage. I want to fry cabbage separately. These are the spices of the day: turmeric, paprika, and curry powder as usual, tomato, salt, and then this is my cabbage. I've grated some carrot, So this is what I want to prepare for dinner, and then we'll serve it with chocolate tea. Yeah, guys. So let me prepare the dinner, and I'll show you the outcome. So guys, this was literally my fridge. It was empty. The freezer part of it was empty. Actually, someone said if the freezer is empty, you feel like it's wasting steamer or light. Yeah, sometimes you feel so. I want to pack the freezer, and then at least we'll be accountable for the light. Yeah, for the electricity, I mean. So these are just leftovers, some green vegetables, and this, I think this, I don't know what is this. I think it's omena. Yeah, it's omena. So those are the only leftovers I put there. I usually put them in freezer when I don't want to eat them soon. So let me pack my freezer, and I'll show you the outcome.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh. kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.